Here on campus, we want to make a nice, inviting environment for our students. And we like to have our brand speckled throughout the universities. My name is Angela Gillespie. I am the Director of Strategic Communication and Brand Management here at California State University, San Bernardino. So the most recent project that we did with Pennington Designs was transforming an area in our library that we call the Wedge. Some of the older wall wraps that we have on campus, we've been working to transition them out of this vinyl material that's really shiny. Our facilities teams have had some issues in terms of moisture getting trapped behind it. And so this new material that Pennington offers, this wallpaper material, it's like custom wallpaper.
Richard Pennington here. We are at the beautiful Cal State San Bernardino campus, and we are about to transform the cave. Let's take a look. So here's the material that we're using, and we're incredibly excited about this product that we're able to offer to our clients now. It's got some tremendous benefits over traditional vinyl adhesive. See, this is actually made of fabric, so it's much thicker, much more durable. When you walk in a room, it's got a very classy, elegant look to it, like a very high-end wallpaper should. We do the whole process for you. You can call us up with your vision. We'll actually come out, we'll survey the area, we'll get accurate measurements. Once we've come up with a design with our in-house design team, we'll give you digital mock-ups to look at and make sure you love it. Make sure that it's going to match everything perfectly. Make sure it's going to match your branding exactly the way you want it to. And then from that point, we get it printed up, we schedule installation, and then our team gets out there and we do a great job installing it. We make sure every detail is covered. We make sure that if there's any issues with the walls, if something has to be prepared, we can help with that.
Their customer service is great. They're really attuned to all the details of the job to make sure that everything comes out really perfect. We've been really, really pleased with everything that they've done.
Once it's all said and done, we're there to back you up. If there's anything whatsoever that happens that you're not happy with, we'll come out and we'll take care of it for you afterward. That's part of our guarantee.